Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop. And it is a beautiful day out here today. I'm doing this on my phone. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70, lower 70s right now. I've got the project truck, got it charging up. I'm going to try to start it up here pretty soon. Haven't done much here on the channel lately because, well, Leanna and we both had the flu really bad for about a week, and then we had some storms. Supposed to get more storms tomorrow, I guess. And I got patch panels. I got the right side patch panel. I got the left side. The left side was damaged when I got it. Actually, this is the new one they sent me, and it is absolutely perfect. I don't know how it got damaged because it was really packaged up. Really packaged up good. They put them in these boxes, and it's have all kinds of this bubble wrap wrapped around them, and then they're wrapped in something else. But this one was from here on over. It's pretty much bent over, and it's dinged up down here kind of good, and another spot over there not real important, because like on my green truck, there's a photo album down here. I think it's buried. Yeah, I'm not going to open it up, but on my green truck, this truck does not have a lot of rust on it. There's a little patch right under here and a little bit over here, I think, but I'm going to replace a lot of this, but I'm going to cut it up from probably down here somewhere, just right up through here, up into this nice flat, straight body line, cut it across here, and then angle it back down and weld that in. Speaking of, my welder had a little bit of a problem, which I think was probably I know it was my fault. There's a plug that plugs into here, has a collar on it that attaches that, and well, me just being a dum-dum, I twisted the wrong part and I broke some wires off. It's sitting over here. This is what plugs into the welder. Here's a little pigtail. One of them still has a good pin. The pin on this one was gone. I tried soldering it back together. That didn't work. So I ordered me a new pigtail. This showed up about 5 minutes ago. And so I'm going to cut these wires, get this all put back together, and hopefully the old welder will work, because I need that welder to really do much of anything. And I did. Some people are saying that a lot of the, gosh darn it, the wire, just going to be your first couple of rounds of wire on here. So I undid a whole bunch of wire on this, and I think we're pretty good now. And I took the gun off of it with this whole thing here. I took that off. I blew it out with the compressed air. I got a bunch of just powdery, rusty stuff out of there. I'm probably going to do that again, but I'm going to get to fixing this up here shortly, and then we can get to work on the truck. Haven't been able to do anything on that because we had the flu really bad, and it's still every morning wake up just coughing and hacking up stuff and really tired. I don't know, it's like a flu that we've never had before. But anyway, got the brown truck, got it charging up right now. I don't know if it'll start or not. We can go try it. I have it on kind of a low charge right now. She'd click, and it'd been sitting here a long time. So we'll see if it'll start. I kind of doubt it right now, but she might. Nope, not yet, but she will here pretty soon. I'm gonna let it sit here and run. And we'll be getting the bed off of this, and putting that bed once I get it fixed up. I don't think it's not going to take too long to get that fixed up. Oh, had a problem. We had a big storm go through here the other day, and I know this whole side over here doesn't look very good, especially like right there with that board hanging down. Need to put all new fascia boards up along this side. But right in here, this was all we had that storm come through, and it was a couple panels were all bent up and over and everything. And I had Matt, Jody's daughter's husband, he came over, and I brought the big loader tractor over. I could pick him right up there in the bucket and put a whole bunch of screws in up there. So I think we're good for now. Supposed to get some storms tomorrow, evidently, possibly some nasty weather. Another thing going on, I got the top, you're probably picking up wind noise. Let me back up here. Hold on. Okay, got the Tahoe up there. She's leaking gas. I couldn't figure it out. I smelled I just smelled gas, and I got under it. I've been helping my dad haul corn the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. And I could smell gas, but I couldn't, there's no puddles on the ground or anything. But I got under it when I got home today, and it's leaking gas pretty good underneath there. It looks like it must be coming from on top of the fuel tank. So I'm probably gonna have to drop the tank on that and figure out what the heck's going on that and get it fixed too. So I may have to pull this out for a day or so and get that old Tahoe running. That old Tahoe, it's got 200 and it's got a lot of miles on it, but runs really good. Everything works on it and everything. But anyway, we are going to get going on this. I've just been sick here for a while. There's stuff going on. Leanna's cat died. We put it down. We had to put it down, and he was 17 years old, and she's kind of devastated about that, and some other things going on. But things are going okay. Just need to get going on this. And I'm going to be helping my dad haul some corn here off and on, and so it might be a little bit slow here, but I'm wanting to get going on this. I want to get these patch panels in, and then get, you know, little dents and stuff taken care of and so forth. Once I get that done, then the front fenders and stuff, they're not gonna take much to get patched up. Doors are in good shape. Get them put on the old brown truck. Gotta get the bed off of that, which hopefully, you know, I'll get it off one way or another, but hopefully it comes off as easy as this one did. And really then, I don't know, I know the floor on this side needs a little bit of work. Patch that up real quick. And thinking about, might get some wind noise here, doing this on my phone, so who knows. But I don't know, these cab corners, I don't know, they're not too bad. They don't cost much. I think I might have one. May have to replace those, or I don't know, if it's just that, might be able to just cut it out here and just form it around. Not making a show truck here, so I don't know, we'll see. But get the bed on it and the doors and the fenders. I'm gonna put the chrome bumper off of my old green truck. It's gonna go on here, and not really a lot left to do on it after that. Get some paint on her, and she's gonna look good. So anyway, guys, we'll see. Bud, what are you doing? You're eating a stick. You're always eating a stick or wood or something. But we'll see if she'll start now. It's been out here a while, but I do have it on a low setting. Nope. Just thinking about turning over, but I'm gonna get her running and let her sit here and run for a little bit. I just think it needs to run. Oil is full on it. And that is what's going on here today. So we'll see what tomorrow brings the storms. They're talking about up to 80-mile-an-hour winds in places, but just depends on where the storm goes. But right now I'm going to fix that little pigtail. It plugs in right down here, and it controls your wire feed. It wasn't feeding any wire, and so it took a little bit, but I found one. Then I think it was like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna splice that in, Just gonna cut the wire here, probably right up in here somewhere. Yeah, it's kind of long, so I don't know, maybe back in here somewhere, and splice that in, and everything should work. And we'll get to going. We'll get to going on this truck here shortly. So hope you're all having a great day, and stay tuned because things are gonna start happening. It's just been a little slow here with being sick and other things going on. So if you would, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. Bye bye.